Hey, what's up, you guys?
Welcome back to StudyNest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your background for 100% free. So let's jump on with the video. So let's open a new tab and search remove BG. Then you'll get this link https www.remove.bg. Let's go there. Okay, so there are many options with which you can do this. Number one, you can upload an image. Number two, you can drop a file. And number three, you can paste the picture. And number four, you can paste the URL. If you have no images, you can use one of these pictures, which is awesome. So I'm going to paste my picture. Let's say I want to paste this. Great. Now it's going to remove the background for me and voila, you have it here. Now you can either download it and you can see its size like here. Okay, now you can edit this also and you can add some backgrounds. You can make it blur and you can put super cool background. I'm gonna put this, and if you guys notice, my eye, the character's eye, it's not done correctly. So from this, there's this option, erase or restore. Click on that, and then make sure your erase is correct. And there's this offset, that means where it will get erased. Like you see, where the circle will be in with respect to your mouse pointer. I would just suggest you to make it in the middle. So let's go to restore and make the brush size a little big and restore this part of the eye. Okay, now as you can see, there are these flakes which I don't want, so let's remove those too. Great. Now I'm going to change the background to this one, and I'm going to make it a little blur, and now I can download it. So yeah, guys, that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and follow my daily updates to get many more cool websites like this. Until the next video, goodbye.